Hi everyone, let's fix an error occurred in Roblox cannot continue error when you try to open your Roblox app. So all we have to do is to look for a task manager over here, and then in the search bar, let's type in percentage local app data percentage, and then tap on the temp folder, and then under it look for the Roblox folder, and we're going to delete that one, but it won't affect any of your data from Roblox, so no need to worry about that. So once it's completed, now go ahead on the second step. If that doesn't work at all, just right click the Roblox app and then go to properties, and then let's tap on compatibility. Make sure that you will check this box, run the program in compatibility mode for the windows available for you, and then check also these boxes over here, and let's run the program. Tap OK. And if it doesn't work, the last thing is we have to uninstall the app and try to download Roblox app again on your device. So I hope that any of these will resolve the problem and you will start playing, enjoying the Roblox again. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.